Meet Jessica and her husband Lee. They're in their mid-40s, parents of 3. Perhaps not so different from you and from me. Lee's self-employed. She works part-time. They make the most of their lives while they're still in their prime. But between rising costs and paying off debt, they can't afford healthcare because their budget is spent. When Jessica was walking with her best friend Gemma, the 2 ladies were chatting about that very dilemma. Gemma spoke up and Jessica just listened. We share our bills, she explained, with other like-minded Christians. Our costs, they stay low. The whole thing is a breeze. The name of the group is Christian Healthcare Ministries. Our friend Jessica was intrigued by her best friend's suggestion, so she hopped online to try and answer some questions. How did this work? Was it real? Was it new? Will they help at the ER? Or if my kids get the flu? Much to her surprise, Jessica found it relieving that the process was simple. It did sound quite appealing. Her monthly membership gift would help others in need, and for her own eligible bills, full reimbursement with speed. After Jessica talked with her husband Lee, they were very intrigued by CHM's community. It was as if CHM truly did care. The members, they shared their stories and became allies through prayer. But what was the catch? Jessica still had some fears. I guess they must be okay, she thought, if they've lasted 40 years. With a hesitant hand, she filled out her information and finally submitted her CHM application. It was less than a year since becoming a member, when Lee was hanging lights in frigid December. He was nearly finished with his Christmas display when he slipped off the ladder and fell down all the way. In terrible pain, he hobbled to the car. Jessica drove him to the hospital, which wasn't too far. The doctor said, "Lee, I think you should know all that just happened is you sprained your big toe. Now here is your bill, and you can be on your way. Do you have insurance?" "No, I don't," Lee announced. "I'm self-pay." It was time for Jessica and her husband Lee to submit their bills to Christian Healthcare Ministries. Some foot x-rays and a scratch on his hand ended up costing the couple nearly $3,000. The process was simple. They logged into their account and submitted those bills which had a self-pay discount. It was as simple as that. They had no need to feel scared. With the help of the other members, their need would be shared. A short while later, a check had arrived to our couple's mailbox exactly as described. The amount matched the total of what needed to be paid. There was no hassle, no problems. They felt no dismay. It was because of the members. Through them, the bills were paid for. Through their prayer and support, the burden they bore. "I'm so thankful this worked," Lee exclaimed without hesitation. "Now I can buy even more lights for next year's Christmas celebration."